Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's gonna be an explanation about the difference between the most compatible with a high efficiency format for your photo that you have been taking with your iPhone camera. So here I will let you give you an explanation by open the settings, and right after that I will let you open the camera section. And in this camera section, there will be like a lot of things that you can set for your camera. So here you just need to visit the formats. So the camera capture will have two formats. Basically, on your iPhone, there will be two settings. The first one is high efficiency and the second one is most compatible. So the high efficiency will have the highest resolution and the best result for the picture that you have been taken. But since you get this high efficiency, of course, the size of your picture will be higher. And also, only the same iPhone product that could open the photo that you have been sent. But then if you change them into the most compatible, so you will get the regular format but then still have a good quality, and you can also send the picture right away into the other devices. So here I will let you see you for the high efficiency first. I already checked the high efficiency, and now let's just take a picture for the high efficiency. Open the camera. Okay, hold on. And right after that I will let you take the picture. So this one is for the high efficiency, and I will let you back again into the settings, and I will let you change it into the most compatible, and like open again the camera and just go take it again. And here is the difference. Open the gallery, and after that this is for the most compatible. So let's just check the format, go into this informations, and you got the JPEG format right here. You can see here the Apple iPhone XR JPEG, and then let's just check for the next one that we just take. This one is the high efficiency format. So just do the same, go click this I information, and you will see the format is changed from HEIF, or it could be sent become HEIC. So that is the way that is the information that I would like to explain to you about the difference between the most compatible and the high efficiency. So that is the way, guys. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will like to see you for the next video.